Hi students, today we will move to the next poem, that is The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. First we will move to the glossary. Diverged, went in different directions. Undergrowth trees, bushes, tall plants smaller than the around them. Climb, demand as its due. Wanted wear, not damaged by use. Had worn, had become damaged by use. Trodden, crushed by feet. Ages hence, after a long time from now. So, let's move to the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So, here the poet uses the word road as a metaphor in this poem. A road is a choice that you have to make in life on deeper level. It is about the choices one makes in life and the dilemma one faces in making their choices. Okay. So, the poet traveling alone one day reaches a place where the road divides into two sides. He had to decide about which road to choose because both seem equally good. Okay. So, the next paragraph, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had worn them really about the same. So, the poet stands there for a long time, trying to decide. Both the roads have not been travelled on that day, because both are covered with leaves. It was grassy and wanted wear. Both are covered with leaves. Okay. So, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first paw for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So, after a long time, he decided to take the road not trodden. Trodden means crushed by feet, by anyone's footsteps. After choosing the road that appears to be less travelled. After a long time, he decided to take the road not trodden by anyone's footsteps. After choosing the road that appears to be less travelled, he decided to leave the other road for another day, even though he knows that once a choice has been made, one travels further and further along the chosen road until it is impossible to come back. So, the last paragraph, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the differences. So, the poet says that after ages he will be telling his story of how he chose the road less traveled and that had made all the differences in his life. He feels sorrow because he will have regrets that he did not choose the other road. It is human nature to constantly wonder whether the other path would have It is human nature to constantly wonder whether the other path would have given more fame, happiness, and money. What the poet is saying is that it is difficult to make a decision and then, after making a choice, the alternative seems to be as good, if not better than the chosen one. So, the poet says that there is a road and divides into two sides. So he decided about which road to choose because both is equally good. Okay, understand? Okay, bye.